Here at Dapper Lighting, we custom build headlights. Let's talk about headlamp protection covers. Our headlamp protection covers are made right here in the USA and come in a variety of colors. They're designed to protect your lights from harsh road conditions, such as rock chips and flying hammers. Laying on the protection film takes about 5 to 10 minutes and requires an alcohol-water mix. And these covers come with a limited 5-year warranty against fading and tearing. The inner skin evenly bonds to glass without leaving any imperfections. These covers are a must-have if you want to keep your lights safe. It's scratch and scuff resistant and protects the lamps from UV discoloration and unexpected events. If you have any other questions, reach out to us via email at support@dapperlighting.com or give us a call at 833-DAPPER1. Be sure to check out our other videos.
Terrifying.